Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a handwritten signature into a publisher document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to insert a handwritten signature. Go to the insert menu. Then select the picture option. Then choose the signature image from our file. Then insert it. Then zoom out this document and decrease the size this signature and set the bottom of this page. Now we can see we insert a handwritten signature to this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.